Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I'm sure you will be fine. Today we will discuss chapter number 3, particles, and today's topic is the particle model of solid, liquid and gas. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe particle model and its assumptions, draw scientific model of solid, liquid and gas. In this chapter, we are going to review what we know about solids, liquids and gases. We are going to learn about a scientific model that can be used to describe how the particles in all three states behave. This model is called the particle model of matter, and it will help us to understand much more about the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Let's get started. According to its first assumption, all substances are made of particles. You can see the microscopic view of matter in the slide. According to the second assumption, the particles are attracted to each other, some strongly, others weakly. Actually, particles of matter of same substances such as the same element are attracted to one another. The force of attraction tends to pull the particles close together, as you can see in the diagram. According to the third assumption, the particles move around. Actually, each particle moves freely through space. The motion of particles in a liquid is kinetic energy. When a liquid gets formed, the particles move faster. The particles have more kinetic energy. According to the fourth assumption, as the temperature increases, the particles move more rapidly. Actually, particles move rapidly in all directions but collide with each other more frequently than in gases due to shorter distance between particles. When an increase in temperature, the particles move faster as they gain kinetic energy, resulting in increased collision rate and an increased rate of diffusion. Each state of matter behaves differently and the particles in each state behave differently. This diagram compares the particles in a gas, a liquid and a solid. This is all for today. We will learn and write this question: how will you differentiate between three physical states of matter with examples? You will look page number 32 of textbook and workbook page number 18 and 19, which is related to this topic.
Our topic for today is states of matter. Matter is made of particles. It exists in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to the different arrangement of particles of matter. In solid state, the particles of matter are very close to each other. So, the particles hold each other very tightly. That is, there is a strong force of attraction between them. As a result, solids have a definite shape and volume. In liquid state, the particles are packed closely together, but they are much farther apart than the particles in solids, and so the force of attraction is weaker than it is in solids. Therefore, liquids have a definite volume, but they do not have a definite shape. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. In gases, the particles of matter are very far away from each other, and so the force of attraction between them is very weak. Thus, gases have neither a definite shape nor volume. They can fill the entire space or volume of a container, irrespective of the container size.